How to fix Windows 11 network printer issues. 1. Restart your PC. Then ensure both your PC and your printer can connect to the same Wi-Fi. 2. Update printer drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Delete the print spooler files. 2.1 Stop print spooler from running. 2.2 Clear items at C:\Windows\System. 32 /spool /printers. 4. Run printer troubleshooter. And disable the firewall, temporarily. 5. Reselect your default network printer in the Devices and Printers pane. 6. Run a quick SFC scan, as admin. 7. Check for potential viruses using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 8. Reset printer's network settings. 9. Check for Windows updates. 10. Perform a system restore.